Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's November 14th, 2019. I'm out in the coop area, and previously I talked about getting the figs and the citrus in here. Well, we've had a pretty significant Arctic freeze that's been going on in here a little bit earlier than it usually comes each year. Still haven't gotten, the ground is too frozen for me to get the garlic and shallots in. But we could see on some of the monitoring systems that the foxes are getting close to being able to get to the ducks. They're the ponds have been freezing over. The ducks have been able to keep a small area of pond 5 open, but the foxes are circling around and getting real close to getting to them. This usually doesn't happen for another few weeks, certainly towards the beginning of December when the temperatures stay consistently low like this. So I'm going to try and get those ducks in today, and hopefully we can get them secure inside the coop. Here we go. Well, the mission was accomplished. We got the ducks inside. The foxes will have to go and hunt for some small mammals now. And I'm sure they'll be successful. There's tons of small mammals all around this property and all. Looks like after these couple of days, the winds have finally calmed down. It may even get close to 30 degrees Fahrenheit today. I'm really hoping for that. The wildlife are starting to come out. We haven't seen the raccoons for a couple of days. Of course, with the wind chills, with it being down into the single and double, into the teens, the wind chills here are just, terrible. So everybody's hunkered down. Looks like early this morning the deer have been out. They've been through all the food forest, lots and lots of munching out there. So ducks are in. This will make Thea happy. She gave me a mission this morning. Get those ducks in before the foxes get them. So they're in. So if you found this video interesting, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and by all means, folks, have a great day. Bye-bye now. Mission accomplished.